Alright, sorry about that. I reached 10 minutes, so I wanted to stop it and make a new video. So I was just describing my level file right here. Really basic. What else did I want to show? Oh, enemies. I wanted to show you some gore, some killing, some battle, some fighting. Okay, because that's what I love about this game. I'm pretty impressed with what I've done with that. You guys will love the blood. The blood is actually part of my debris class, and it's very, very gory. I've made it a little bit excessive, but that's how we like it sometimes. Sorry about this. Just trying to get into this resolution. Okay, let's get it started. So I've binded a key to my keyboard to spawn enemies, so I can just throw them in there and kill them. Also makes me feel really powerful. Let's start with one. So yeah, the enemies pretty much are very basic. They come towards you, aim towards you, and shoot towards you. And they all carry AKs. So here we go. There we go. Ha! See ya, sucker. Okay. So let's try this again. Okay. So as you can see, there's that rectangle right there. Okay, that rectangle is basically the player detection range, enemy detection range. So whenever I get in that area, it gets alerted. And when it gets alerted, its range increases. As you can see, its rectangle is increased. So it's on alert mode right now. And it will track you, fire at you, and kill you, if it can. There we go. As you can see, the blood splatters. Look at that. Look at those gibs. See, I use debris class not only for breaking bricks, but for flying body parts and blood. There we go. Used a beam rifle on him. There you go. See? Okay. Let's try. And also, yeah, the body parts actually disperse according to the force of impact. So beam rifle deals a lot of damage, so body parts are going to fly quite a bit. Do you want to see body parts really fly? Let's do this. Let's really make things messy. Spawn a ton of enemies. Boom! So do you see all those blood splatters? Each blood splatter is an individual object, and they're actually collidable. So when it hits something, it stops. Which makes it more real, and it fades off over time. So the objects get deleted eventually. Okay. There we go. And the body parts fly because the force of impact of a rocket is really high. So the force of impact is completely customizable. The projectile class or the damage area class calls it. So basically, the force of impact of the body parts is based on how much damage it was dealt when it died. Shotgun creates a lot of blood because there are a lot of pellets hitting all at once. So for every projectile that hits, there's a blood splatter. So, it's going to be a lot of blood when you use a shotgun because there are a lot of pellets. Let's actually use a lightsaber. As you can see, my health is down to 8. I haven't made a health bar or anything. I haven't really focused on that stuff, but I will. I'll get to it. Wasn't as important as all this other stuff. Let's spawn an enemy right there. Let's get him. Boom. So the melee weapons are pretty much instant hit right now. See, I just died. There's no real special die code or anything. It just respawns. I haven't worked on that yet either. Not really important right now. There you go. Spawn a couple of them. There you go. So yeah, those are my weapons in action. Those are my enemies. The enemies are basically the same concept as me. As you can see, it's the same body type, same animation, except it's a custom skin that I've created. I called it the Evil Dark Ninja. And also in terms of skinning for my son, I actually made him a Master Chief skin and a black suit Spider-Man skin. So the Master Chief skin is disabled in the code right now, but I'm going to show you the Master Chief skin. Oh, where is it? Oh, gotta be in the window. There you go. So that's a black suit Spider-Man. Sadly, the Master Chief is disabled right now. So yeah, that's all I can think of right now in terms of the gameplay. Obviously, it's impossible how he's holding onto the ladder while holding onto the gun at the same time. All things I need to work on. So yeah, that's that. Did I show you guys level objects? I haven't shown you level objects yet. So this thing I'm standing on right now is called a level object. It's not a tile. This is a solid level object. There are two types of level objects that I have right now and more planned. One is a solid level object, which you see right here. It's collidable. And it can be placed wherever as per the level file. And the second one is a scenery level object. As you can see, this tree. It's not collidable. It just stays in the background there, does nothing, but looks pretty. So those are the only two level objects that I've implemented so far. And I'm planning to implement much more. Now, I don't know if I've already mentioned this in this video or not, but if anyone wants to help with art for tiles, for level objects like these trees and these crates, like I want many more things in this game. I want like Buddha statues, fountains, I want more trees, lots more trees, plants, mushrooms, rocks, pyramids, mountains, buildings, solid buildings that you can stand on. Keep in mind, if you guys are going to make things that are collidable, they should be rectangular, so that when you get on top of it, you don't see any spaces in between, so it doesn't look unrealistic. Because I only have rectangular collision detection here. It's not per pixel. So yeah, if you guys want to help me out with that kind of stuff, I would be so grateful. I would love to have your art in here. I would give you your credit on the start screen, whatever you want. If anyone wants to help out with the project, I would be welcome to work with someone on the project. If anyone wants help with C# and making games like this, I can help you out. I can guide you through the process. I can show you the methods that I used, the ideas that I had, which enabled me to do this. Please ask, and I will definitely help you out. I would love to. And I think that's it in terms of objects, level objects, and such. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I showed you guys enemies, level objects, weapons, items, breakable bricks. So I guess I'll give you a glimpse of my version 0.000001 of my level editor. And yeah, by the way, these tiles are made in Photoshop, which I will show you right now. Here's my Photoshop. So these are some of the tiles that I've made. This is my tile sheet, by the way. If you would like to see your tile there, if you want to help out, please let me know. Would love to see your art here. I want my game to be as colorful, fun, and cool as possible. So that's that. How much time do I have here? Just a quick introduction. Do I have time? So you know what? I'm gonna try to do the level editor in the next video. Oh, thanks for watching, by the way. Didn't get to properly end the last video. So yeah, I just wanted to say thanks for everyone's support, all the tutorials on the net. There's a huge community of XNA fans and programmers, so it makes it so much easier to program. Most of this code was done by myself, and I'm running out of time. But yeah, the particle system you see here, it's actually from the XNA website. I don't use it. So yeah, it's not mine. Oh, I should be out of time by now, shouldn't I? Okay, I'm going to stop the video right here.